the Atlas Index to find places on a map. At the back of an atlas, you will find the Atlas Index. It lists most of the place names in the atlas along with their coordinates in alphabetical order. To find the exact location of Durban in an atlas, look up the name in the Atlas Index in the D section. The index shows Durban, 43, B5, 29 degrees and 52 minutes south, 31 degrees and 0 minute east. This means that Durban can be found on page 43 of the atlas at the alphanumeric reference B5. You can also use the grid reference to locate Durban at the latitude 29 degrees 52 minutes south and the longitude 31 degrees 0 minute east. How do we locate Durban on this map of South Africa from page 43 in the atlas? Lightly in pencil, mark the 29 degrees and 30 degrees latitude lines south as well as the 31 degrees longitude line east. Because minutes are not marked on maps, you have to estimate where 52 minutes will be. Remember that each degree is divided into 60 minutes. Lightly in pencil, divide the degree space between 29 degrees south and 30 degrees south into 6 equal parts. Each section would represent 10 minutes of latitude. 52 minutes will therefore be found just after the 50-minute marking. The intersection of this pencil line with the 31 degrees and 0 minute east longitude line gives the exact location of Durban. An atlas index can be used to find places on provincial maps too. This is a provincial atlas map showing part of KwaZulu-Natal. Let's look up Nkandla in the index of the atlas. The index shows Nkandla, 57, J16, 28 degrees and 37 minutes south, 31 degrees and 5 minutes east. As minutes are not marked on atlas maps, you have to estimate the position of the 37th minute in the 28th degree of latitude. You know that each degree is divided into 60 minutes. Divide the space between 28 degrees south and 29 degrees south into 6 equal spaces, each representing 10 minutes of latitude. 37 minutes will therefore be found between the third and the fourth marker. In the same way, you can divide the degree space between 31 degrees east and 32 degrees east into 6 equal parts, each representing 10 minutes of longitude. The point midway between 31 degrees east and the first marking is 31 degrees and 5 minutes east. The intersection of this pencil line with the latitude 28 degrees and 37 minutes south gives the location of Nkandla. The alphanumeric reference J16 in the index entry for Nkandla is a very wide area, whereas the grid reference is the exact location on the Earth's surface.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel or dive into our expert textbooks and get that learning edge.